So let's clean our acrylic pours and get them ready for varnishing. So we've got a few options. You can see I've got some Windex, I've got some wipes, and I've got some Dawn. The first thing I'm going to use is rubbing alcohol. You can use 70% or higher. You're going to mix that 50% with water, with water. So you can see I like to measure that. Let's add some water. There we go. Now we're just going to give that a little mix. And we're just going to gently wipe down our acrylic pour with that. I keep checking my paper towel just to see how much paint is coming off. Preferably no paint or very little. So it's okay if you have a little bit of color there. Just wipe gently though. And preferably very little color to no color. So after I've done the rubbing alcohol, that will evaporate off the canvas pretty quick. So then you have the choice of cleaning again with either Windex, the wipes, or the Dawn. So any of these options that you're going to use, you want to mix 50-50. Well, at least the Dawn or the Windex. The baby wipes you don't have to mix with water. You can just take the baby wipe and wipe it right on, like I'm going to show you. So here I'm using the Dawn. And I'm going to measure that out. 50% Dawn, 50% water, and we're going to wipe down our canvas with that after we have given the Dawn and the water a little stir just to make sure that it's evenly mixed. Okay, that's good to go. Make sure my canvas is dry. That rubbing alcohol, it doesn't take too much to dry it. So now we're going to give it just again another light wipe down with the Dawn and water, 50%. Make sure I get my edges no matter what I'm wiping with. Paper towel's clean, so that's great. So let's just get some stuff out of the way here. And then the last option I'm going to use today is the wipes. If you can find baby wipes that are gentle, those are the best. These ones are just like regular wipes, so they're a little stronger. So I am prepared that they might take off a little bit of color, but that's okay. As long as like the color's not smearing around, like, and it's just like very little color on the wipe, I'm good with that. So there we go. I've cleaned this 3 times to get rid of that silicone. Rubbing alcohol, Dawn, and the wipes. And then Windex is also an option, like I mentioned before, 50-50 Windex with water. And then you're good to go. And once that's dry, then you can varnish away. So stay tuned for my spray varnishing video. Thanks for watching.